What's scary, guys? No Indian can stop craving this red thick gravy with those delicious kidney beans or rajma if they've tasted it once. Continuing the kitchen poem Food Lexi, we are combining this high protein marble with the charm of Kashmiri cooking, of course. This is my Kashmiri Rajma masala recipe. Cooking this delicious dish is a two-part process. I have taken around 300 grams of Jammu Rajma soaked overnight at least for 12 hours to get this. This beautiful, not so brittle red marble tests your patience while boiling. I kept this on the pressure cooker for around 45 minutes in a low flame to have a softer version of this. Priceless taste of Rajma comes with the right balance of mixture of spices. You can customize these according to your taste buds, of course. To have that extra Kashmiri kick, I've taken Kashmiri masala. If you do not have this, you can choose any other Rajma masalas in the market. I have powdered this masala in hand, and also I have taken 2 to 3 red chilies and bay leaf, and our mandatory mustard and cumin seeds. Take these veggies with similar quantities. Chop it like this. Exclude tomato and make puree out of it. Now let's begin our yummy cooking, baby. Add some oil into the pan and wait till it gets heated. Now let our chilies and bay leaf fry a little. Now add those tiny little seeds of mustard and cumin. Once those mustards start popping out, we can add the puree which we have made before. Set this aside in a low flame and start making our tomato puree. Once you get the fried aroma, you can add those juicy tomatoes. Now let's start grabbing up our essentials. In the bowl, garam masala, and from left to right, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and some salt. Now give it a good stir and start adding salt, turmeric, red chili powder, and the taken garam masala. Let the mixture cook by itself for some time, and then add our Kashmiri masala. This turns the whole mixture a brick red color. Then you can add our boiled rajma. Transfer all the boiled marbles and the boiled water into the mix. Keep this mixture on a low flame. To blend it well, you can mash a little. Boil it till you get a thick gravy almost like this. Then you can add coriander and garnish it with a good stir. Finally, we are ready with delicious, super healthy Kashmiri Rajma masala.